This is finally available. You can get it today. So I first started writing the CMake tutorial back in 2023. So it's been a very long journey to go from nothing through to a digital downloadable version to this. And the final steps, the final steps to get this into the online store were a real pain in the butt. I'll say more about that later, but for now, it's here and it looks great. And to celebrate, you can get this at 20% off the regular price for the next 2 weeks. Simply click the link immediately below the video and then enter the coupon code CMakePrint20 at checkout. That's CMakePrint20 is one word. Put that in the checkout and you'll get the 20% off. This is for anyone who prefers the look, smell, and feel of ink on paper. It's for people who prefer something they can physically hold in their hands. And the tutorial takes you from zero CMake knowledge through to everything that you need for building large-scale software projects using CMake. You can learn more about the CMake tutorial and even get a sample of the book by clicking the other link below the video. Otherwise, just remember to use the coupon code CMakePrint20 at checkout to get 20% off. And make sure you do so before Sunday, May the 11th, before the end of Sunday, May the 11th, because after that, the coupon code dies and the offer goes away. And oh yeah, if you're publishing a book via lulu.com and you want to sell it in your own store, then I highly recommend that you just use Shopify. I use WooCommerce. Using Shopify will save you many hours of manually checking what the shipping rates are and programming them into your store, which is what I had to do. So Lulu provide live shipping rates for Shopify, but do not currently have that feature for WooCommerce, which is something that I really hope will change, because I'd love to have that feature. So that's just a pointer if you're working on your own book, you want to publish it. Otherwise, get this one, link immediately below the video, and use the coupon code CMakePrint20. That's it for now. See you next time.